Friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix the Epic Games launcher not working in your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on Start, type Epic Game Launcher, open Epic Games Launcher. Now in here click on this gear icon for settings. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoots. So hopefully this will work and it will resolve some issues and fulfill this minimum requirement and also fulfill these recommended requirements in case your PC or laptop is not fulfill these recommended requirements. So this error can be trouble. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve some common problems to launch and to run the Epic Games launcher. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method useful for you or not.